Hello guys, I'm Ortal from Khaleesi Media, and today we will learn how to bring more clients to your business. We will learn how to expand the online presence of your business and interact with customers using Google My Business. What you learn? You learn how to create a free mobile-friendly website for your business in less than 10 minutes. Ready to build a stunning free website for your business? So, let's dive in. With Google My Business, you can get free mobile-friendly website in less than 10 minutes with no technical skills needed. It also has its responsive design that adjusts to look great on every screen. Google My Business generates a website from your info on Google My Business profile. Here you can see there is my contact information, address, and business hours. If you want to know how to set up this information, check my other video. Google website allows you to choose free custom domain. So, get one that reflects your business name. Okay guys, so now we will learn how to build your Google website. Go to your Google My Business account. At the main menu, choose Website. Choose a theme you like. You can choose from different styles and colors. As you can see, it was my choice for my website. Here you need to choose a primary button. Primary button reflects an action your clients will make on your website. Now you can choose nice header photo for your website. Make sure it integrates nicely with your theme. And final step, upload gallery photos of your products and services. These photos will appear on Google website and on Google search results. Congratulations! Now you have a free, stunning website. Thank you guys for watching this video. Our specialty is to grow your business with valuable clients. If you want to learn more how to advertise your business, please check our channel. If you need any assistance or professional help, check more about our courses and services. See you next video.